Yo everyone, what's up? Today we're going to talk about something a bit different, how to replace gaming with coding. I've actually been in this situation back in 2017 when all I was doing all day long was pretty much play games, right? If you're a gamer who's looking to make a switch to something more productive, we'll discuss on how to do that today. Alright, let's start with why you might want to replace gaming with coding. Don't get me wrong, gaming is awesome. It's fun, engaging, and a great way to unwind. But if you're spending hours gaming every day, you might find yourself wanting to do something that can also benefit your future. You might have that guilt that you're literally wasting too much of your time. That's where coding comes in. So how do you make the switch? Here are some steps to help you get started. First, find your motivation. Think about why you want to start coding. Is it for the money, or you want a pretty stable and very awesome job which is constantly evolving? Having a clear goal in mind can help you stay focused and motivated. Next, set some realistic goals. Just like gaming, coding can be addictive, but in a good way. Start small, aim to code for just, 30 minutes a day. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can progress with consistent effort. As you get more comfy, you can increase the time you spend coding. Also, you can join a community. Just like gaming, coding has a vibrant community. Join online forums, Reddit, or Discord groups where you can ask questions, share your progress, and get support from other coders. Being part of a community can keep you motivated and help you overcome challenges. Well, mostly just like playing games. Gamify your learning. One of the reasons gaming is so addictive is because of the rewards and achievements. You can apply the same concept to coding. Websites like CodeWars and LeetCode turn coding challenges into a game where you can earn points and badges. This makes learning to code fun and engaging. Replace your gaming time with coding time. Instead of spending 3 hours gaming, try to allocate at least an hour to coding. You don't have to quit gaming entirely, but by gradually reducing your gaming time and increasing your coding time, you'll start to see progress in your coding skills. I know this is hard. Even after years of giving up on games completely, I still think of it sometimes, but definitely much easier now than it was a couple of years ago. Work on projects that interest you. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to work on projects that you're passionate about. If you love gaming, why not try to create your own game? There are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you get started with game development. And track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your coding progress. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. This is a very important key in my opinion. Looking back on the progress you've made will help you a lot. It will motivate you in bad days basically. Remember, the goal is to find a balance. You don't have to give up gaming entirely, but by incorporating coding into your daily routine, you can turn a fun hobby into a productive and rewarding activity. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips will help you make the switch from gaming to coding, if obviously that's what you wish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. See ya!